Hello everybody, it's Elio the Marvel and I'm heading to Ocean View Park. Let's go! So guys, we're finally here at Ocean View Park pero kailangan natin umakyat sa hagdan na yan. So let's go! So ayan guys, I'm finally here. Medyo nakakapagod siya kasi it has 275 steps bago ka makarating sa pinaka-main or pinaka-venue talaga nila. Pero kasi, the good thing about it is that ang ganda po ng nature, yung madadaanan nyo talaga, sobrang panalo. So alam mo yun, yung pagod mo, maiibsan din.
Ocean View Park's main attraction is the International Dollhouse, first in the Philippines. They have different kind of dolls from Disney princesses to Barbie and many more. So, meron din silang kainan dito sa taas where you can enjoy, and they do accept short orders and many more.
So ayun guys, the last time that I was here was back in 2009 and dinala po ako dito ni Rosemary Humawan as well as ni Dudes Bocatora. So nilibre po nila ako guys. So ayan, add niyo po yan, mga yan sa Facebook na nilibre po yan. So that was 10 years ago, nang tagal na po talaga. So wala namang changes yung place, same pa rin naman siya, maganda pa rin. Though I heard kasi before they will build bird sanctuary as well as butterfly garden. So wala akong nakita. I just don't know what happened, pero yun, hindi siya na nagawa. Though if you're gonna ask me if I would recommend this place, yes, I would definitely recommend this place. Ideally for lovers, especially yung mga bata-bata pa, kasi di ba, they need more time to each other. Alam mo yun, yung mga ganyan, mga millennials, mga kaedara namin. Kasi pagka yung mga matatanda yung aakyat dito, mga gurang na, pagtingin pa lang sa hagdan, aatras na yung mga yan. So talagang, this is ready for, you know, yung mga lovers na bata-bata. Kaidara namin ganun, mga teens, mga 20s gana. So ayun guys, actually pauwi na ako. Hindi ko sinabi. So ayun guys, pauwi na po ako. If you wanted to visit Ocean View Park, this place is actually located in Bislig, Surigao Del Sur. And again, thank you so much for watching. This is Elio the Marvel. Have a great day. Bye!